Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to share with you how did I started speaking English. Actually, I want to share with you my speaking English journey and I want to tell you my past story how did I started speaking English. Okay, actually when I went to the college and school, so that times I didn't have any partner and any tool for improving English, so that times was very difficult for me. Actually that times I wanted to improve my communication skill, but I didn't have any partner because I asked every person, can you help me? So every person didn't help me. So actually I think don't worry, English speaking was my journey and English speaking was my aim because speaking English was my passion. So so after getting married I had a mobile phone and then I started using mobile phone. So that's how I started learning the English, and I watched English video and grammar. So that's how I started learning the English. And one day I was using the Facebook, and then suddenly I saw a application, and then recently I downloaded, and then after that I started using, and that's how I started speaking English, and I spoke with the student and learner and expert people from Pakistan, from Bangladesh, from Sri Lanka. So that's how I started speaking English. And but I am not that good because I am learning English right now. Okay, so but when I am alone at my home, so that times I spoke with myself, and I created any fake story, and then I spoke with myself because continuously I spoke with myself, and I created any fake story. So that's how I started learning English. So even I am having the struggle for improving English. If you want to improve your communication skill, you should use the application for improving English, and you should speak with yourself if you don't have any partner. So in the end I want to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like and share my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.